Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Instructions. Combine mayonnaise, honey, apple cider vinegar, salt, pepper, and celery seeds in a small bowl and whisk together. If you want the dressing to be sweeter, add another tablespoon of honey. Add a little bit of the dressing to the cabbage and carrots, then toss. Serve and enjoy. The 25th of May 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Cup for cup, coleslaw also typically has fewer calories, 94 versus 357, and less sodium than potato salad. Either side is loaded with fiber, about 12 to 14 grams per cup, and protein, about 8 to 12 grams per cup. 6 May 2014.
Let's help you make your mark.
The original KFC coleslaw recipe uses a shredded and chopped cabbage. The individual pieces are about the size of rice pieces. I've made this recipe many times and chopped my own cabbage and carrots. 14 May 2015.
Take our lead.
3 to 5 days. Homemade coleslaw dressing will stay fresh in the refrigerator for at least 3 to 5 days. If the dressing has been left out at room temperature for more than 2 hours, it should be discarded. 15 July 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.